Right, so to make the crescent shape then, it's a little bit like a croissant. We need to roll this into a sort of triangular shape. So dust your table slightly, get your rolling pin, just going to try and bring it into a little peak. See, now we're getting that triangular shape. So we're going to slit it. I'm going to pull that out. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to roll outwards when we do it. So turn it round, and then we're just going to curl it in so we've got that crescent shape.